What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 10 PC using command prompt. So for example, if your computer running slow or acting abnormally, or you just wanted to sell or something, you probably need to do a factory reset. So the quickest and easiest way to do is press on start and type CMD and then press enter. And then once this window is going to appear, just type system reset -- factory reset. And then press enter. Then this window is gonna appear right here. You can choose keep my files or remove everything. Make sure you do a backup before you doing this process, even if you're keeping your files, because in case if something's gonna go wrong, you'll have your files backed up. Then we'll click on remove everything. Then in here, same thing, remove files and clean drive. And then the last thing we need to do, we just need to press on reset, and it's stating right here, it will take a while and it will restart your computer. And when the factory reset process is complete, the initial setup screen will appear as if you're just taken out of the box. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.